Suddenly the sun goes up and I feel my love flooding back again. Until the sun goes up and I feel my love coming up again. Suddenly the sun goes up.
Good morning, everybody. Episode 2 of Lewes, Delaware. It is a hot day and perfect swimming weather, so today we are definitely going to the beach since we were rained out yesterday. We are headed to breakfast now, and I think we may have lost one of the room keys. Whew, it's so hot today, you guys. Yeah, I went to do the lox avocado toast. Smashed avocados, red onions, smoked salmon with capers on multi-grain toast. Sounds really good. Just kidding, doing the morning burrito. Mystery of the lost key has been solved. Yay, now we can go swimming. All right, ready for the beach in my new swimming shorts.
Not true, it's all at all.
Mom, you're lying right on the camera, by the way.
No, because I saw you wore them yesterday.
I wore them yesterday, and that, yeah, for the first time yesterday.
It doesn't matter because
But they're new, they are new.
no,
Yeah, you're right, they're not old up. You just said it, blah, 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 no take backs. Okay, beach time. We're at the beach. Sand is hot though. I don't want to take my sandals off just yet. All right, who's ready for a little fun in the sun? I am. All right, I just went for a swim. It's really, really nice, refreshing. I'm a little out of breath. I was swimming the whole time. I don't like touch the seabed with my feet because several years ago, a crab pinched me and my foot bled. I stay on the surface of the water as much as possible. All right, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead, probably just take a walk along the beach, listen to music, and just take some video. Nice, relaxing, fun day by the shore. We're just gonna head back. We're gonna rest for a bit, cool down, shower off, and probably have dinner in about 2.5 hours or so. It sounded as if they were testing the warning system, so otherwise there's a tornado or a tsunami I don't know about. But if a tsunami were coming this way, would come from that direction, so far so good. Oh, AC feels nice. Ever since I heard the alert, I'm just kind of looking around, being a little paranoid at the moment. Looking around, looking up, looking everywhere, and looking at my phone to see if I had any alerts there. We're back at the hotel now, and we are just relaxing. We went to go to Agave for dinner, and it's a 2 to 2.5 hour wait. So we put our names down now. It is, well, 5:46. No, we put our names down 20 minutes ago, which means probably, hopefully 7:30 to 8 o'clock. If not, we'll end up going somewhere else. 2 to 2.5 hours. Wow. Okay, my sister is downstairs waiting at the bar, and I'm just gonna join her. Probably gonna have a drink before we hit Agave, so I will meet her here. Just kidding, right when I entered the Rose and Crown, they told us our table was ready. Place is certainly happening. I said it's a happening place, yeah. And they still have upwards of 2 to 2.5 hour waits on a weekday.
Yeah.
Singing the song, I see I was wrong.
Please don't put rice all over my phone. No, you're okay. There's rice on my phone. Oh my gosh. All right, that was a great dinner at the Agave, and then we went to the ice cream place next door, got some orange sherbet, and it's really good. Already had a couple licks. Nice way to end the evening. Oh man. I am not happy right now. Oh my God. Really? Well, it's not a total loss, but yeah, it was a good chunk of ice cream. Ah, crap. Walking through a nice park right now, so just trying to calm down. Yep, lost half my ice cream, but hey, it's okay. Beautiful night, beautiful park. I still cannot believe I did that. All right, let's pack the rest of the stuff in the car. We are leaving today, everybody. We're going home. We just checked out of the hotel and we are, sorry, almost ran into someone. That's what I get. We checked out of the hotel and we're gonna stop at this little artisan candy shop. And then we're just gonna head to the beach for probably an hour. And then, yep, just head back home, man. Okay, Mom. She's like, and the plant store, and the plant store. And we have to eat too. I want it all. I got way too much candy, but that's okay. I'll share it with Mom and Michelle, even though they don't believe me, even though they don't believe I'm gonna share it with them, but I will. I will. I still have a whole tub of jelly beans that I'm probably gonna end up throwing away. I'm not a super huge candy person, but I do love that shop. And yeah, they have some very unique flavors, so definitely had to take advantage of it somehow. Okay, bye beach. See you next time. Yeah, it's too hot to get out and we're not swimming. So anyway, we're just gonna say our goodbyes here. All right, everybody, thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, please hit like, and there will be more, so please